Wrought iron patio furniture sets for minimalist home design. These days, people are now concerned with space. As much as possible, they would like to spend lesser space, particularly in their home area. This is why minimalist home design has been one of the top design choices of people with the help wrought iron patio furniture sets. The concept of minimalist came from the term minimal or minimum. In home design, people would like to remove unnecessary elements to give an effect of lightness and cleanliness in homes. And aside from Zen-inspired furniture, wrought iron patio furniture sets has the ability to bring this minimalist feel on your home. Why does this type of furniture has this capability? First of all, they are made from thin pieces of iron material. This means that this furniture will offer you mirror frames. Thus, it will give the minimalist feel in your home. This type of furniture also comes in different types that will be useful on your patio area. The first type of furniture that you will get is the seating options for your patio. There are seats where you can have your coffee, and with coffee tables that can be good places where you can hang out with your guests. Since they look like frames, you will not really feel that the furniture are there in your home.